Hi, my name's Mark with Finish First. Have you ever been to your local auto parts store and checked out the body filler section? It can be very overwhelming, but there's one thing that's in common with all of the products: the process. It's prep, fill, and sand. The difference between these products is each one is designed to do a different repair. So now I want to give you a quick overview of all the types of body fillers and when to use them. The first product I want to talk about is body filler. This is great for small dents, scratches, stone chips, and what makes this a great product is it's easy to mix, spread, and sand. The next product is Glaze. This product is reinforced with fiberglass strands, so it's able to repair holes, rips, tears up to 1/2 inch. If you have damage larger than 1/2 inch, hair is the product to use. It has longer strands of fiberglass that'll bridge the gap over that hole, rip, or tear, up to 1 inch. The next product I want to talk about is fiberglass resin. It has to be used with a fiberglass mat or cloth. This is the strongest repair and is used for the largest of holes, rips, and tears. The next product I want to talk about is Fiberglass Resin Jelly. Unlike the fiberglass resin, which is more of a liquid, this has a thicker consistency and works great on vertical contours. The last product I want to talk about is finishing glaze. This product is excellent for fixing minor imperfections, pinholes, scratches, and also can be used over all other fillers for a smoother finish. For more tips and tricks, visit our website at gofinishfirst.com and subscribe to our channel.